Brent Mitchell is Stanley Storage Solutions. We're a manufacturer of high-density storage cabinets, workbenching, and STAK systems. Our goal is to come in and work with you to improve your productivity and increase your efficiency for storage solutions. We work with Swiss Instruments and their staff to come up with a good solution for you. We've got high-density STAK systems that we've been talking about that are new, which is a system that has a self-contained bridge and mast and has no fixed horizontal beams. The pallet themselves become the beam, and we can store product within 4 inches of the load below it. So it really condenses your storage. The fact that it has a self-contained bridge and mast has the aisle reduced down to 7 feet, which saves you additional floor space.